Julie and I work in adult services here at Ritter Public Library, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of Canopy, which is a video streaming service for Ritter. To start, there's a couple ways you can access Canopy. One of them is through a desktop or laptop like I'm doing here, where you can go to canopy.com. There's also an app for your tablet or smartphone, and you can also stream video on your smart TV through Canopy as well. So you can do either of those three options. We're going to start down here in the bottom where it says Get Started. And we're going to click here. And the first step is they're going to ask if you have a public library card, which hopefully you do. And we'll click Find Your Library. And next we're going to search for the library we're part of. You can search by name, zip code works well. And we can click Vermilion. And then we'll click on Ritter Public Library. And then on the right, you'll see a map and you'll click Select. Now if you're using a smartphone or tablet app or the TV, the steps in the interface might look a little bit different, but the information they ask from you should be the same. And step 3 is putting in your library card number, which is the big long number on the back of your library card. Some people have the letter A in front of the number. If you do, don't include that here. So you're just going to want all the numbers, no spaces, no letters. Once you've put your card number in, you can go ahead and click Continue. And then the last step is creating your account. So you'll do first and last name, an email address, and a password. So you can go ahead and fill that in. And once that's completely filled out, you can go ahead and click Sign Up. Once you get to the Canopy homepage, you might be prompted to verify your email address. And to do this, you can go into the email you used to set up your account, and you'll click on the Canopy email that says Verify. And then you'll just click the button that says Verify Email. And it'll take you to a different tab once your email is verified. Now to start, Canopy works off of a credit system. You'll see in the upper right hand corner that you have a box with the number 10 in it, and that's how many credits you have left for the month. So each film costs 1 credit for you, and then on the first of each month your credits will reset back to 10. Over here you have Canopy Kids, that's credit-free viewing. So there's story times and friendly movies and things like that there that don't cost any credits, as well as the great courses. There's a pretty big selection you can use, and it doesn't cost you any credits, so that's really nice. Now to start looking for something to watch, you have a couple options. You can use the traditional search bar up top. You can search by subject or title, anything like that. You can also go to Browse here, just to the right of the box, and it'll show you a bunch of categories you can choose from. I'll actually just click the Browse button here, and we'll be moved to the Browse by Subjects page. So you can see there's quite a few options. We'll just click Drama here, and once you get there you can see how many films are available to watch, and you can just start browsing through. We have Oscar winners and nominees, contemporary cinema, and you can scroll for quite a bit to find something that looks good. And then you can click on something that looks interesting, and you'll be taken to the viewing page. To start watching the movie, you just hit the play button, and you'll see your credits will deduct by 1 once you hit play. From there, you have 3 days to watch the film as many times as you'd like, and then it will automatically return. So there's no fines or fees or anything. If you're looking for movies to watch and maybe you're not ready to watch them now, you can add them to a list with this button here. And you can click, and it'll add it to your watch list. Then you'll go up to your account in the top right. It should say your name, and you can go down to My Dashboard or My Watch List. Either one can get you there. And you can get your watch list. So we just added this one, and then you can also see your viewing history here as well. So we're back at the home screen now. That was just a quick overview of how to get logged into Canopy and find something to watch. Any questions, you can stop into the library or give us a call. Thanks for watching and have a great week.